Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhar channel. Today we're discussing best anti-slip mat for refrigerator. Refrigerators indeed are one of the most valuable things to be used at home. The refrigerator offers people a luxurious lifestyle. It is a must to take care of them appropriately to use them for an extended period. It would be best to use a good quality anti-slip mat for the refrigerator to ensure that the refrigerators are protected from dirt and dust. So the quality of the mat is critical to keep the refrigerator in excellent condition. There are many styles and brands of refrigerator shelf mats available in the market, from which you can select the right one for your refrigerator. But it's a challenging job to select a decent mat for your refrigerator from a vast market. If you are looking for an anti-slip mat for your refrigerator, you will get a variety of items that will confuse you. It is the reason why this article will help you select the best anti-slip refrigerator mats. Advantages of anti-slip mat. Easy to maintain. In some instances, anti-slip mats need little maintenance to continue to be used for years. Simply wash or clean the dirt or liquids out of the anti-slip mat and it is ready for continuous use. Many anti-slip mats are made to be chemically resistant so that you will never have to worry about the damages to your anti-slip mats in the event of a chemical spill. Protection for your floors. There are occasions when you want to prevent your floors from being destroyed, such as in the case of a large item or equipment running over your floor. You will want extra security after you have new floors installed in your facility. Anti-slip mats will provide the security you are looking for at an affordable price. Eco-friendly. This means that rubber is an eco-friendly substance used to make mats. Rubber anti-slip mats are widely used in homes and are suitable for quick work in the shower, kitchen or laundry room. And last but not the least, rubber is not only waterproof, it is grease, oil and chemical resistance as well. Non-adhesive cushion. There is no doubt that the refrigerator is a space prone to spills and crumbs. So think how much time these shelf liners can save you. Simply cut them to match the refrigerator shelves and drawers, fill in the refrigerator, then remove them to wash daily. Types of anti-slip mat. Floor mat. This may apply to any mat on the floor, indoors or outdoors. In this sense, however, we refer to floor mats as an anti-slip item that allows users to get a good grip and prevent slipping or skidding accidents. Shower mat. The shower mat is essentially spread out in the bath area so that the senior citizen can take advantage of it. It also allows others to take regular showers without the fear or risk of slipping or falling. However, their flexible and diverse nature makes them suitable for use in various areas and various purposes. Table mats. Table mats are constructed to cover regularly used tables to be free from stains, dust, and dirt. There is a range of choices available to anyone wishing to purchase a high quality table mat. In this case, we are looking at a table mat that comes with excellent anti slip properties. Anti slip table mats are perfect for desktops, dining tables, and study tables. Refrigerator mats. Refrigerator mats are the game changers for refrigerator drawers and shelves because they're washable. There is no doubt that the refrigerator is a space prone to spills and crumbs, so that you can use refrigerator mats because of their washable properties. Here are some of the top picks for anti-slip mat or shelf liner for refrigerators. Best international products. DIY non-adhesive washable mat. While being non-adhesive, these shelf liners are game changers for refrigerator shelves and drawers since they are machine washable. There is no doubt that the refrigerator is a room prone to spills and crumbs. So imagine how much time these mats can save you. Simply cut them to match the refrigerator drawers and shelves, fill in the refrigerator, then remove them to wash daily. These shelf liners work well in laundry rooms and bathrooms, where cosmetics and other items can sometimes leak or spill. You can check the link in the description to visit this product on Amazon. Gorilla Grip Mat. It is best to pick a mat with enough grip when it comes to the kitchen. This will hold your most precious and delicate food containers, jars, plates, mugs in place, no matter how high they're stacked. Gorilla Grip is a conventional shelf liner made with the highest quality materials to avoid slipping and bunding. But the open grid structure has an added benefit. It helps to protect your cabinets from the accumulation of unnecessary dirt and debris. These shelf liners are also simple to clean, another vital component in space that is as susceptible to messes as the kitchen. While these shelves and drawer liners come in standard pre-cut sizes for quick setup, you can easily trim the liner to match custom spaces. You can check out the link in the description to see this on Amazon. Duck, peel and stick shelf liner. The good thing regarding this shelf liner for refrigerators is that you don't have to spend a lot of money on a product that works and protects the longevity of more costly investments, cabinets, appliances, and other delicate items. The Duck brand peel and stick shelf liners for refrigerators are inexpensive and perform surprisingly well. High quality permanent vinyl laminate adhesive will not move or tear despite heavy duty housing. And at 20 inches by 15 feet, it's wide enough to reach even the biggest shelf. But if you happen to need smaller bits, just cut them to size. The laminate adhesive has a printed paper backrest with grids for simple measurement and cutting. This shelf liner is available as a bonus in 5 colors and designs, including granite, sandstone, clear, white marble, and pearl marble. You can check out its link in the description. Best Indian products Kuber Industries refrigerator mats. When it comes to the kitchen, it's best to select a shelf liner with enough grip. This will hold your most precious and delicate food, plates, cups, mugs, in place no matter how high they are placed. This multifunctional mat is for refrigerator, drawers, shelves, and dining table. Made of sturdy, high quality plastic material, it helps to defend from scratches, spots, and dirt. You may also use them as a refrigerator drawer mat and placemat. The fridge mat has antibacterial and antifreeze functionality to ensure the protection of the products. It's a fresh product and arrives with a waterproof feature that is so easy to clean. You can check out the link of this product in the description. New multi-purpose anti-slip mat. This anti-slip fridge mat roll can be cut with scissors for any shape or size as per your requirements. It decorates your kitchen and all other spaces. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, refrigerators, drawers, shelves, dining tables, etc. It is non-adhesive, textured, crack resistant, super reliable, can withstand low temperatures inside refrigerators. Anti-skid surface holds stuff in their place and looks pleasant. This fridge mat roll comes with a multi-dimensional mat that can be used for dining tables, refrigerators and drawers. It doesn't damage easily even though you can keep a lot of heavy stuff on it. The mats are waterproof things that can be quickly washed. To check out this product on Amazon, you can click on the link in the description. Home by Anti-Slip Mat. Anti-slip fridge mat roll can be cut with scissors for any shape or size as per your requirement, and it also decorates your kitchen. Products cannot be easily damaged and are ideal for taking care of large objects as well. The mats are waterproof and so easy to maintain. This mat comes with an anti-slip grid surface which usually helps prevent falling and slipping as you reach out in your kitchen refrigerator for a container or a bottle. This high quality durable anti-slip mat will not move or tear despite heavy duty housing. But if you decide to need smaller bits, just cut them to size. You can check it out on Amazon by clicking on the link in the description. Buying guide for the anti-slip mat for refrigerators. Everyone uses refrigerator mats at home for several purposes. So refrigerator mats are essential for anyone to keep their refrigerator clean. There are many types of mats and it's tough to find the right for your refrigerator. But it can be better if you have a list of relevant points to remember. So here we are writing a few key points to remember when purchasing a refrigerator mat. Type of material. The type of material plays a crucial role in the case of fridge mats. The material should have a resistance to water and other dust particles to be the right product. It should be of excellent quality and able to stand in any situation. Choosing a refrigerator mat with dust proof and waterproof properties is very necessary. Combo deals or different purchases. Certain items are available with combo deals of great value. In the combo deals, you can get the top cover, the refrigerator mat, and the cover handle at a reasonable price. But if you buy them individually, the price for each will increase. But it's more comfortable to take a combination deal instead of purchasing it individually. In reality, combo deals help you save money on both the cost of the product and shipping. Washable. At the time of purchasing a mat, try to ensure that it is of washable category. There's no doubt that the refrigerator is a room prone to spills and crumbs. So imagine how much time these mats can save you. Wash or clean the dirt or liquids out of the anti-slip mat and it is ready for continuous use. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Prodhat channel.